Many students collect survey data using Google Forms, but then get stuck when they try to analyze it in SPSS. In this video, I'll show you, step by step, how to transfer your Google Forms data into Excel and then import it cleanly into SPSS without errors. Before we begin, a quick request. If you are a master's or PhD researcher or someone starting research, please subscribe to our channel and follow us. We regularly upload step-by-step research tutorials, explained simply, with real examples, especially for beginners. If you miss subscribing, you may not get updates about our upcoming videos on SPSS, thesis writing, research methods, and data analysis. Now, let's get started. First, open your Google form and click on the Responses tab. You'll see a green spreadsheet icon. Click on it to open responses in Google Sheets. Click File, Download, Microsoft Excel. This is the file format SPSS understands best. Do not change the file to CSV yet. Open Excel file. SPSS treats column headers as variable names. Make sure they follow these rules. No spaces, no special characters, short and meaningful. Example on screen. What is your age? Should be age. Gender. Male, female will be gender. Delete any empty rows, instruction rows, or timestamp columns if you don't need them. For categorical questions, consistency matters. For example, gender should be coded as 1. Male. 2. Female. You can also keep text labels and code them later in SPSS. Before moving data into SPSS, we need to talk about Likert scale questions. This step depends on how your data is already stored. If your Likert scale responses are already coded as numbers, for example, 1 for strongly disagree, 2 for disagree, and so on, you do not need to change anything in Excel. Just import the file into SPSS and define value labels there. However, if your responses are stored as text, like strongly disagree, disagree, neutral, agree, strongly agree, then you must convert them into numbers before moving to SPSS. The easiest method is find and replace. Press Ctrl+H. Find, strongly disagree. Replace with 1. Similarly, find, disagree. Replace with 2. Find, neutral. Replace with 3. Find, agree. Replace with 4. Find, strongly agree. Replace with 5. After this, your entire column becomes numeric, perfect for SPSS.
If you want a safer method, you can use the formulas below in the description. Create a new column next to item. Apply the formula. Copy, paste values. Drag and delete the original text column. Before importing into SPSS, make sure Likert columns are numeric, no text values remain, missing responses are blank or coded consistently, no spaces in headings.
Now that SPSS is open, many students ask, what do I click first? Let me show you the exact steps to import your Excel survey data correctly. Do not click New Dataset. We are importing existing data. SPES by default looks for SPSS files only. So here, change files of type 2, Excel, XLS, Change Files X click dropdown. Now locate your cleaned Excel file and click Open. This window is critical. Make sure you check the box that says Read variable names from the first row of data. If you forget this, SPSS will name variables 1, V2, V3. Your data becomes confusing. Then click OK. Your data is now inside SPS. You are currently in Data View. Two important tabs point on screen. Data View. Actual data values. Variable View. Variable settings. Very important. Before running any analysis, always go to Variable View. What to check one by one. Name. Short. No spaces. Type. Numeric for Likert scales. Age. Income. Label. Write the full survey question here. Values. Very important. Example for Likert scale. 1 equal to strongly disagree. 2 equal to disagree. 3 equal to neutral. 4 equal to agree. 5 equal to strongly agree. Measure. Nominal. Gender. Country. Ordinal. Likert scale. Scale. Age. Index. Composite score. For scales, value labels, and Cronbach's alpha, check our next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Finally, save your dataset as an SPSS file. File type, SAV. This is the file you'll use for all future analysis. If SPSS shows errors, check these first. Forgot to tick read variable names. Likert responses still in text. Measurement level not defined. Lie. Subscribe. Watch our other SPSS and research tutorials. More step-by-step videos coming soon.